Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? J Catskill here, maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Have a good day everyone, kumusta po kayong lahat? Saang mang sulok kayo ng mundo naroroon? Hangad ko po ang inyong kaligtasan. Marami pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta at patuloy na pagsubaybay sa aking mga upload. Sa mga kababayan kong OFW at sa mga viewers ko po dito sa Pinas na naghahanap ng sasakyan, sana po nakakatulong tong mga ina-upload ko. Let's start, pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Ready na ba kayo? Eto na po sila. Nangunguna sa ating listahan, 2020 Honda Jazz Fit 1.5 RS, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 18,000 kms, price 828,000. Location, Pasig City. Eto, sariwang Honda Jazz na live stream ko na to, pero para sa mga hindi nakaabot, eto po, check nyo mga idol. Keyless entry na po ito, push start, may cruise control, automatic transmission with paddle shifter, may eco mode and sports mode, 6 lahat ang airbag neto, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control, naka-Android touchscreen monitor with iOS, with navigation, with Bluetooth ready, with reverse camera and parking sensor, clean and intact interior, fresh in and out, good as new condition, naka-sunblock ultimate infrared and UV shield tint, maayos at malinis ang trunk space, meron pong reserbang gulong, hindi po nagamit, under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine na may 121 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Bagong palit po ang battery niyan, good running condition. Naka-mugs na po yan, naka-Pirelli na gulong, nasa 85% trade line. May daytime running lights na yan, ang fog lamps, maganda po ang itsura nito mga idol. Stock original shiny paint, wala pong gasgas, walang dent. Best buy unit to sa mga interesado, must see the unit to appreciate and dare to compare. 2017 Chevrolet Trailblazer 2.8 LTX 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 48,000 kms, price 798,000. Location, Bacoor, Cavite. All stock, all original, may back sensor, 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting, may electronic stability and traction control system, all power, all mechanism are working well, naka all leather interior, sidings at saka mga upuan. Sariwa ang loob nito, kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan, maayos po ang upholstery, maluwag ang trunk space nito, perfect pang family use, 7-seater capacity, available po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Outside appearance nito, smooth shiny paint, naka-ceramic coat na po yan, mga gulong makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. Next, 2009 Mitsubishi Outlander 2.4L automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 105,000 kms, price 328,000. Location, Parañaque City. Well maintained and well preserved unit, kahit 2009 model to, in excellent condition. Automatic transmission with paddle shift, malakas po humatak, walang delay. All power buttons, gumagana po lahat, bintana, doors, and mirrors. Sa naghahanap ng 5-seater na pasok sa budget, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. 5-seater capacity, maayos po ang mga upuan nito, naka-fabric seats. Solid ang under chassis, wala pong kalampag. Sa mga interesado, pwede po kayo magdala ng sarili nyong mekaniko para mas ma-check nyo po ng actual at ma-test drive ang unit. Check nyo po engine bay nito, malinis, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Bago po ang battery nito. No hidden issue ang unit na to, good running condition, ready for long drive. Naka-rehistro po ang unit hanggang 2024. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer. LTO verified, 100% not flooded unit, 100% no accident history. 2016 Ford EcoSport 1.5 Trend, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 388,000. Location, Parañaque City. All stock, all original din to. Sa naghahanap ng maayos na crossover, multi-info display, may phone connectivity, may Bluetooth ready and auxiliary input, all panel gauge and signals 100% working. Medyo madumi lang po ang loob nito kasi chinek ko lang po, hindi ko na po nantay na malinisan para may sama ko ngayong vlog. Pero syempre, bago natin kunin, ipapalinis natin yan. Free naman ang detailing ng interior tsaka exterior. Naka-deep dish matting na rin ang trunk space nito. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine na may 110 horsepower at 142 Nm of torque. Walang tagas ng langis, no overt history. Ready to use na ang unit na to, sasakyan mo na lang. Outside appearance nito, makinis. Naka 16 inches alloy wheels at ang mga gulong nito makakapal pa naman. May daytime running lights na rin to and fog lamps. 2016 Ford EcoSport 1.5 titanium, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 428,000. Location, Parañaque City. Another Ford EcoSport, top of the line lang to. Naka-keyless entry na rin to, push start button, multi-info display, malamig pa ang aircon with automatic climate control, naka all leather interior, seat and sidings, all power window, door Doors and mirrors, 100% working. Isang nagpaganda at nagpaangas dito kasi may sunroof na to. Maganda po tingnan ng loob. Maayos ang interior nito, intact and in excellent condition. Smooth ang suspension, maayos naman ang pangilalim nito at maganda ang ground clearance nito compare sa mga sedan. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Bagong battery po nakalagay nito. No hidden defects, sasakyan mo na lang to, ready for long drive. Outside appearance naman ng unit, smooth shiny paint. Naka-stock 16 inches alloy wheels at wala pa pong gutter marks. Mga gulong nito makakapal pa naman, nasa 85% trade line. Next, 2009 Nissan Urban State 3.0 VX, manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 140,000 kms, price 458,000. Location Parañaque City. Sa nagpapahanap sa akin ng affordable na van, eto po, smooth and responsive ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, malakas sumatak, malamig ang aircon, 12-seater capacity, pwede po ito pang family, pang business. Maayos po ang interior nito at mga upuan, well-maintained and well-preserved unit. Maayos pa naman ang mga pang-ilalim nito, wala pang mga unwanted noise, walang kalampag. Bagong palit lang din po ang battery nito, may original key with alarm. Sa mga interesado, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer 1.6 GLX, manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 72,000 kms, price 238,000. Location Marilao, Bulacan. Pwede to sa masela na buyer sa naghahanap ng manual transmission na sedan, 5-speed manual transmission, malamig po ang aircon, naka dual airbag, smooth shifting, wala pong delay, clean and intact interior, well-maintained and well-preserved unit, private use only, not bank repo. Kompleto po ang mga papel neto, naka-registered hanggang 2024, may manual and booklet at may original key. Garantisadong walang issue ang makina, no leak, no overheat history, naka-motolet battery na rin po yan, good running condition. Sa mga interesado nitong affordable price na sedan, pwede po kayong magsama ng sarili nyong mekaniko para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo po. Outside appearance naman ng unit, malinis, smooth, shiny paint. Next, 2015 Toyota Wigo 1.0e, manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 280,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another affordable na hatchback, Toyota Wigo, all stock, all original, naka-touchscreen head unit, power steering na rin to, naka-dual airbag, 5-speed manual transmission, malinis ang interior, ceiling and sidings, maayos. Sa naghahanap ng matipid sa gas at madali lang pong i-parking, sa mga naghahanap po ng first car nila, check nyo po ito mga idol. Under the hood, naka 1.0 liter engine na may 64 horsepower at 85 Nm of torque. Condition naman po ito sa pangmahabaang biyahe. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. At kung may inquiry kayo regarding sa requirements ng financing, you can comment down below sa video at i-assist ko po kayo. 2013 Ford Everest 2.5 TDCi 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 490,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap ng below 500k na SUV, eto Ford Everest, all power buttons, gumagana po lahat, 5-speed automatic transmission, malamig din po ang aircon nito, may automatic climate control. Okay naman ang space ng second row nito, mga upuan, naka-fabric seats, 7-seater ang capacity, perfect din to pang family use at maayos ang pang ilalim, walang kalampag, guaranteed no engine issue, no leaks, no overheat history, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine na may 143 horsepower at 330 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ulit ng competition na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis naman po kayo, negotiable upon viewing. At kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede nyo rin po dito i-trade in. 2017 Ford EcoSport 1.5 Trend, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 465,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another Ford EcoSport, sariwa rin to, black ang kulay at may roof rack, multi-info display, may phone connectivity, Bluetooth ready with auxiliary input, all power, all mechanism are working well, naka-deep dish matting na rin to, 5-seater capacity at ang upuan nito naka-fabric seats, wala pong mga punit, saktong laki lang ang trunk space nito pero foldable po ang second row niyan. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine na may 110 horsepower at 142 Nm of torque, no leaks, no overheat history. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition na nasa screen. Outside appearance nito, stock original shiny paint, naka 16 inches alloy wheels, stock pa po yan at ang mga gulong nito naka Goodyear, nasa 85% trade line. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just gas and go. 2017 Suzuki Swift 1.2 GL, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 390,000. Location Las Piñas Piñas City. Low mileage lang to sa naghahanap ng Suzuki Swift. Naka-stock original shiny paint pa po yan, very presentable. Naka-dual airbag na rin to. Power steering, smooth and responsive ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting. 5-seater capacity, maayos din po ang interior nito. Pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit. Sa mga gusto pong magpa-schedule, just comment down below sa video at i-assist ko po kayo. Under the hood, malinis. Wala pong itong tagas ng langis. Naka 1.2 liter gas engine na may 90 horsepower at 120 Nm of torque. Ready to use na po ito, ready for long drive. Syempre, kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Outside appearance nito, flawless. Pwedeng-pwede sa masisela nating buyer. Naka-registered naman ito hanggang 2024. Kompleto ang mga papel, ready for transfer. 2019 Nissan Navara Calibre 2.5 EL 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 890,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng pickup, eto mga idol, sariwat, mababa lang po ang mileage neto. Naka-touchscreen head unit na po ito, electronic stability and traction control system, 7-speed automatic transmission, malakas po humatak, walang delay. May rear center aircon vent, naka-fabric seats, 5-seater capacity po neto, naka-stock bedliner mattings pa po yan mga idol. Check nyo po engine bay nito. Under the hood, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine na may 161 horsepower at 403 Nm of torque. Excellent engine condition, no issue. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Lahat naman ng unit na kasama sa aking upload, na-check at na-scan ko na po yan. Ready to use na po ito, pero kung may trusted kayong mechanic, pwede nyo pong isama para magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. Last unit but not the least, 2016 Mazda CX-5 2.5 Sky Active AWD automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 710,000. Location Las Piñas City. Quality ng Mazda CX-5, push start, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, all power, all mechanism are working well. Magandang pagka-leather ng mga upuan nito, 5-seater capacity, clean and intact interior, fresh in and out, nothing to fix, no issue. Kasama po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursonadahan kayo, at kung wala pa po dyan ang kursonada nyong sasakyan, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload, this is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!